Adesuwa Ezenwa, a former employee of First Bank of Nigeria Limited, has accused billionaire industrialist Oba Otudeko of massive fraud during his tenure as chairman of FBN Holdings Plc, the bank's parent company. Bisi Onasanya, the bank's managing director and CEO at the time, was also implicated. Ezenwa, who was dismissed in October 2016, has filed a lawsuit against First Bank at the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, Lagos Judicial Division, seeking redress for her termination, which she claims was executed without any justification. She is demanding 500 million naira in damages and 25 million naira in legal costs. In court documents obtained by Premium Times, Ezenwa alleges that the bank's credit disciplinary committee unfairly blamed her for granting unsecured loan facilities worth billions of naira to companies where Otudeko had significant investments. She claims her superiors, who approved and facilitated the loans, were not penalized. Ezenwa joined the bank on May 27, 2002, and became a relationship manager in the corporate banking division in February 2016. She worked under Abiodun Olatunji and Cecilia Majiko-Dunmi, who held senior positions within the bank. As a relationship manager, I worked under the supervision and direction of my branch manager and group head and signed official correspondence only after they had approved and/or signed the same. I had no independent authority in relation to the grant or disbursement of loans or other banking facilities, Ezenwa stated. She alleges she was summoned before a credit disciplinary committee in August 2015 regarding loans availed to Supply and Services Limited, a subsidiary of Royal Ceramics Group. Although the committee did not find any personal interest or gain on her part, she was blamed for not whistleblowing on the endorsed deals. Ezenwa revealed that unsecured loans of approximately N12 billion were granted to a company with significant investments from Otudeko, masked as loans to Stallion Group of companies, which later discovered the false entry and complained. In another case, she alleged that an unsecured credit of N2 billion was granted to Broadwaters Resources Company Nigeria Limited, which was used as a conduit by Majiko-Dunmi and Onasanya to siphon money from the bank. The loan was never repaid. Out of the N12 billion camouflaged as lending to the Stallion Group, N8.21 billion was transferred through various accounts to a final destination account belonging to VTech Ltd, a company owned by Oba Otudeko, while N4.45 billion was transferred to Ontario Oil and Gas. The facility remains unpaid to date, Ezenwa claimed. She further disclosed that similar loans were granted to several companies, including Swap Technologies and Telecoms plc, Orbit Cargo, Netconstruct Nigeria Limited, and High Performance Distributions Limited. Ezenwa asserts that her dismissal has severely damaged her reputation and future employment prospects, causing her significant mental distress. She seeks a court declaration that her dismissal was baseless and contends that she is being made a scapegoat for the malfeasance within the bank. Siso Mmo, Ezenwa's lawyer, stated, "She is being made a scapegoat for a lot of questionable transactions within the bank, which she is claiming innocent of. So far, the trial has started. We have subpoenaed the EFCC, and we have subpoenaed the central bank to bring the audit reports of the bank.